Now, whether you're looking for gift ideas for somebody else that likes to work with their hands or maybe has a shop, or let's be honest, just something to tell your wife to put in your stocking so that you don't have to go through this.
Okay, is it the dad's turn? See how good you kid did.
Exactly the one I wanted. Great. I've got your back. I'm gonna run through a short list of things that I recommend. What's up, you guys? I'm Travis, this is Shop Nation. And with the holidays approaching, it's that time of year where we should think about what we're gonna give to other people. Yeah, other people. Or if you're like me, you just wanna figure out what you wanna buy yourself for the holidays. Now, the way I'm gonna break this up is I've got 3 things that are pretty cheap, and I've got 3 things that are pretty not cheap. So depending on whether you're buying it for someone that you don't really like or someone that you really like, you can choose accordingly. Now, the first item on the cheap list is this Gerber Gear Primid utility knife. Now, I don't know about you, but these things come in super handy around the shop, and I never can seem to have enough of them. And this one is cool just because it's got so much built into it. It's not just, obviously, a utility knife. It's also got like a pry bar and a bottle opener. Yeah, bottle opener. You can use the end as a screwdriver. It's just really handy for opening stuff up. Now, I personally really like the look and feel of this versus just your standard utility knife. And at $20, it's pretty damn affordable, so you can throw it in stockings of just about anyone you know. I actually bought another one of these to put inside the house for when we get Amazon packages. This is a real quick way to open them all up and then close and lock the blade when you're not using it. And you can get this in either green or black. And number 2 on the not so expensive list, I think should be a staple for just about everybody, but that's a good pair of work gloves. Now, these are the Mechanics Wear Original Coyote Tactical Work Gloves. And I have several pairs of these that I keep around the shop and around the house just for when you're doing stuff that you just need a good pair of gloves for. I like these particular ones because they're lightweight, they come in a ton of colors and sizes, and they're 26 bucks. And as a bonus, they're machine washable, so you can actually reuse them if they get way too dirty. So if you're looking for a good pair of gloves to keep around the house, the shop, or even your car, check these out. And rounding off our first list is the Pentel Graph Gear 1000 mechanical pencil. Now, I've talked about these in the past. These are, in my opinion, hands down the best shop pencil you could possibly get your hands on, and you can get a 3-pack for about 22 bucks. So yeah, in the world of pencils, maybe they're a little expensive, but once you've got a couple of these laying around the shop, you realize just how nice they actually are. Now, one of the reasons I really like it is the way it feels in your hands and just the weight of it. But really, the best feature is that with a click of the button back here, you can actually retract the tip into the body, thus protecting it as you throw it into a drawer or use it around your shop. And I'm telling you, this is something that someone with the shop will appreciate. So I prefer the 0.7mm lead, but you can also get them in 0.5 or 0.9, depending on your preference. But first, let's thank the sponsor of today's video, which is Skillshare. Skillshare is an online learning community for creatives with thousands of classes on a variety of topics that just might help you either develop a new skill set or deepen an existing passion. Now, when I say they have a variety of classes, I am not joking. You can take classes on things like wildlife photography. Oh, neat, a wild stick. Videography. And even bird watching. All right, honestly, I don't know if there's bird watching, but you catch my drift. If you have an interest in it, there's a good chance that there's a Skillshare class for you. Now, I'm very much still a video and photo newbie, so having classes available on things like Photoshop and Premiere Pro is awesome. And since it's curated specifically for learning, there's no ads, you pay one low monthly fee, that's it. Now, if that sounds too good to be true, the first 1,000 of my subscribers to click on the link in the video description below will get a 1-month free trial of Skillshare, so you can start exploring your creativity today. And now for the pricier items that maybe you want to reserve for yourself or people that you actually just really like. And the first one is an overpriced flashlight. Now stay with me. Now this model from Olight is a rechargeable flashlight, which is the first of its most redeeming features. Because I don't know about you, but most of the times when I need a flashlight, I go to turn it on and the batteries are dead. So then you would naturally move into a rechargeable type battery. But the problem with most rechargeable flashlights is it comes with a cord. They have to plug into it, and let's be honest, I'm never gonna remember to do that. So what sets this one apart is it's actually got a mount that magnetically attaches the flashlight to the charger, thus making it pretty error-free. And with the included little carry case, you can put it on your belt like a dork, or you can mount it somewhere around your shop or your house that's easy to get to. And then you add on to the fact that this thing is stupid bright, 3,200 lumens, and you've got yourself a really good tool to have around your house or your shop. Now, as I mentioned in the beginning, the fact that I think it's an overpriced flashlight, these things are 120 bucks a pop. But it kind of reduces the need to have a bunch of different flashlights in a bunch of different areas because you know this one is always gonna be charged and ready to go. So whether you're a flashlight aficionado or just someone who doesn't like running into dead batteries, I would definitely go check out this Olight. And there's a bunch of different models. This is just the one that I picked. And something else that you've undoubtedly seen me use around the shop is my Craig Pocket Hole Jig 720 Pro. Now coming in at $150, it's not the world's cheapest tool, but let me tell you, it is super versatile. And if you have any experience with Craig products, you know they make a good tool. Now I've used several pocket hole jigs from Craig in the past, and this is by far their best one. It's the easiest to use. It automatically adjusts based on your material thickness. The dust collection is phenomenal. This little insert pops in here. You hook up your dust collector here. And they've also made it really easy to store in your shop by folding it up into this small little footprint you see here. It's just really good. And right now, Craig is actually running a promo where you get a 3-inch clamp and a set of screws for free when you buy this thing. So whether you need one for your shop or you know a buddy who does, this is a really good option. And for the person that seemingly has everything, the Nemo Grabo electric vacuum lifter. It's a mouthful, I know, but this thing is pretty freaking cool. What it is basically is an electric suction cup that you can use to lift up just about whatever the hell you can think of. And you can actually do a lot of really useful things with this in a shop environment. The first and most obvious use case is to use this thing to pick up and transport plywood. Now in the past, I've shown a kind of cantilevered handle that I've used to go buy plywood at big box stores, and those work great. But they do have their downsides. They're kind of big and clunky, and they're not as cool as this. So this gives a lot more flexibility because you're not limited to just the top edge of the plywood. You can lift from the bottom, the middle, the side, wherever you want. Just turn the unit on, place this thing wherever you want, and press the green button to engage the vacuum pump. And using the built-in pressure gauge, you can quickly tell when you've reached an adequate amount of pressure, or suction rather, to pick up whatever it is you're trying to pick up. And with a rated capacity of 375 pounds, the limiting factor is probably gonna be your muscles, not the tool. Now I recently used this thing for a really good use case, which is lifting up a really freaking heavy mirror that was mounted to the wall. I had to basically pick this thing up to get it out of the tracks on the bottom and the top, and really the only way I could think to do it was something like this. And due to its ridiculously high rating, I wasn't worried about this thing slipping off or breaking as I'm trying to do it. Another cool feature is you can actually use this to pick up things that don't have a perfectly flat surface, like stones and pavers and things in your yard. Because you've got this cushioned seal around the edge, it can actually make up for some of that unevenness in the surface, and you still get a good suction. There's just a lot of things you can use this for, and clocking it at $240, which gets you the tool, 2 batteries, a carry case, and an extra seal, it's definitely reserved for those that just want something really cool. Unless you're like a professional glass installer or paver person. Anyway, there's lots of other things you can use it for around your shop, and if this is something that interests you, go check it out. Oh, and one more thing. Craig Tools is actually running a promo through the end of the year where you can save $50 to $100 on some of their tools. So for example, their ACS Master Kit, which is the ACS table and track saw, which is normally $8.99, is now $7.99. Or if you just want the track saw, like the one I did the review on, that's typically $3.99 and now it's $3.49. Happy holidays indeed. Now you can either go to the Craig Tools website or all the prices are actually already updated on Amazon. I'll have links to all that stuff down below if you're interested, but now's a really good time to go buy those Craig products if you or someone else you know is in the market. All right guys, thank you so much for watching. Thanks for sticking through this one. Hopefully this list provided you with something that you could put on your Christmas list or something to buy somebody that you know that likes working with their hands or has a shop. Now I've also done 2 previous videos like this and I still pretty much recommend everything I had on those lists as well. So go check out those videos. Those will be linked down below or up here or wherever the hell I choose to put them. Coming up very shortly, we're gonna jump right back into shop organization. So if you're not already subscribed, hit the subscription button to make sure you catch those when they come out. I will catch you guys on the next project, and until then, keep pursuing shop greatness.